Hi, I'm Bruce, and I'm from Cleanse Tech, and today we're going to be talking about how to properly soak the silverware and detarnish it before it goes into the dishwasher machine. The chemical process by which we take tarnish off a piece of silver is to put a piece of aluminum foil into our bucket first. Now what's going to happen is the chemical is going to cause the tarnish to remove from the fork and go onto the aluminum foil. So we're going to take and put our chemical in first. You never want to put the silverware in and the chemical directly on top. We want to get the chemical to mix first. So we turn on the dispenser. Automatically, the solid green or the Cleanse Dip D, depending on which product you're using, is mixing and going into solution. Now we take our silverware. Now that this is thoroughly mixed up, we take our silverware and we put our silverware in the solution and we let it soak for a couple of minutes. During the soak-in process, all the tarnish will be removed from the silverware and go onto the foil. What's very important is not to put the silverware in first and then add the chemical. Sometimes you get little bits of powder, and the powder could very easily come out and go right on the silverware and burn the silverware. So what you want to do is you want to get your chemical in there first, let the chemical mix a little bit, then you add your silverware. Just to show you how nice it's coming out, all the tarnish has come off here and it's quite shiny. Okay, now that we've pre-soaked our silverware for a while, I'm going to dump it out. We're going to hose it off a little bit because we don't want the foam from that going into the machine. We just rinse it off gently, get the excessive detergent off the silverware. And now the proper way of doing it is taking a silverware basket and take our forks and spoons and we assort them. By assorting them, you're assured that nothing sticks together and it makes bigger cracks for the water to wash. Knives always go facing down. We put that into our basket and now our basket will go right into the machine. By washing it straight up instead of laying down flat, we do two things. We allow the detergent to penetrate into the tongs of the forks. When you have a spoon laying down and another spoon laying down and one laying in the middle, you know the middle one's not going to get clean. Plus, you'll always have a little bit of soapy water left in it. By washing them straight up and down, we don't get that. The water runs right off. And you notice we've washed it with the eating end facing up. It's up in the air, but now we don't want to touch this. So we're going to take it and put an empty basket right on top, turn it over, and now we've transferred it and we can put this out on the counter and the eating end is not being touched at all. This is the sanitary way to handle silverware. I'm Bruce, I'm from Cleanse Tech, and this is Silverware 101.